How to change Outlook password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your Outlook account's password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to change our Outlook password, we won't use the Microsoft Outlook app, but we will use our browser. And then first of all, we will just go to outlook.live.com, or we will log into our Outlook account from our mail. Once we've done so and log into our Outlook account, you can see this type of interface where you have to tap the three lines icon located at the top left hand side. Then you want to scroll and then look for the option called settings, as you can see here. Once you go to settings, you're going to come on this page where again you have to select the option called account, which is at the very top of the screen. And then right over here you'll find an option called change password. All you have to do is just tap the change password button here. Once you tap on the option called change password, you can either choose to verify identity with the email address, or I have a code, or I don't have any of this. So first of all, let me choose to verify my email address over here. I'll just go ahead and enter my email address, tap the send code button, and then I'll wait until I have received the verification code, because I have added actually a previous code over here. So basically go ahead and just refresh it a couple of times. Here you can see I've received the code, and then just go ahead and then first of all copy the code, come back here, and then just go ahead and then basically paste it. Tap the verify button here. Once you've verified it, just tap the no thanks button first of all, and then once you've done it, on the next page it will take you to the page where you can simply enter the current password and then enter the new password that you want to change to. This is how you can change your Outlook password. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.